Hey friends, today we're going to draw Cockatiel.
Yeah, a cockatiel. What's a cockatiel?
A bird.
A bird that you can have as a pet.
Yeah.
You got your marker?
Yeah.
We hope you guys are going to follow along with us. They need a marker too, right?
Yeah.
What else do they need?
Paper.
Paper and something to
Color it.
color with at the end. You ready to start?
Yeah.
We're first going to draw our little bird's eye. We're going to draw a circle. And I'm going to draw another little circle inside for the highlight. You could draw it right about here in the middle of our paper. Yeah, that's a good spot. Good. And then a smaller circle inside. And we're just going to draw one eye. So let's color in the big circle and leave the other one white. Good job. Now let's draw his beak. We're going to draw a sideways V shape like that. Right next to it. Then we're going to draw the top of his beak, and we're going to draw a curve that comes down like that. So start at the top and draw. Yeah, curve that comes down. Then we're going to draw another little curve that comes up like this for the inside of his beak, and then curve it back into that first V. And then we could draw the bottom of his beak too. So that's the bottom of his mouth, little curve. Yeah, you did it. Okay, and if we want, we could add a little nostril. Now let's draw the top of our cockatiel's head. And now they have, kind of like cockatoos, we've drawn a cockatoo before, they have little mohawk that we're going to draw the top of his head first, and this mohawk kind of shows up really tall when they get excited or angry. Then we're going to draw it coming straight up like this. Then we're going to draw a bunch of zigzags. We're going to come down like this, and we're going to draw zigzags coming down like that. Whoa.
Hair.
Then let's draw the back of his head. We're going to draw a curve like this. It comes backwards C. Your cockatiel is going to be super big.
His hair is going to be like fire.
Fire. All right, now let's draw his belly. We're going to draw a little line like this for his neck first. Just a small little curve. Then we're going to draw a bigger curve going the other way for his belly. We're going to draw a big curve, comes down. Good. Then we're going to draw another curve for his wing. We're going to draw it the same as his belly. So you draw it right here, boop, and then boop. So a little curve that matches the belly. Yeah, good job. Then we're going to draw a sideways V, another one that comes out and then back in. I love your drawing. Then we're going to draw his back. So we're going to draw another curve that comes up to his back. Then we're going to draw a small little V right here for the end of his body. Yeah, then we could draw his tail, and let's just draw, it's going to be a really long U shape that's tall and skinny. So yeah, start there, come down for his tail, and then back up. All right, we did it, Austin, good job. Now let's draw his little feet. We're going to draw two U's, small little U's, right under his belly. Then, yeah, one more. Then we can draw his toes. Let's just draw a line in the middle of each U. Yeah. There, we did it. Now he has some cool patterns on his face and also on his feathers. So let's first draw, we're going to draw a little pattern right here under his neck. We're going to draw a big curve that comes under like this and comes up behind his eye. So we'll start here, come up behind his eye. Then we're going to draw a line that comes back down like that, and you can connect it right here. Then on his wings, let's draw 3 lines, 1, 2, 3 on his wing, right there on that little V, sideways V that we drew. One more on the top or down at the bottom. Yeah, there you go. Then let's draw the little pattern on his wing. We're going to draw a shape that matches the front of his wing. Then we're going to draw another curve up here at the top. So draw one right here. Then we can draw a zigzag. Boop. Kind of looks like a W or an M. Yeah, and then connect it in. Boop, like that. You guys say beep. We did it, Austin. We finished our little cockatiel. I love how cute we drew him. We drew him like a cartoon. Now we're not completely done with our drawing, right?
Yeah.
What do we still need to do?
Color it.
Yeah, we need to color it. And this part we're gonna fast forward, but at the end you guys can pause it to match the same coloring. Ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
Austin, we did it. We finished coloring our cockatiels and they turned out perfect. Yours always ends up being my favorite. I love the little face, dude, and the mohawk is awesome. Looks like he just woke up. And it's okay if your drawings look different than ours, right?
Yeah.
Because, what is this? Because the most important thing is?
To have fun.
Yeah, to have fun and to
Practice.
practice. So we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.